Hey guys, this might be my last flight of 2020 without snow. And it's my last day of my second COVID vacation. I'll drink to that. Oh my God. I got up this morning. I thought yesterday's flying was the end of it. I checked the weather. I mean, it was horrible. As you can see, this is like the last of the weather, man. And it was too windy to fly, but I flew anyway. I had a good time. I'll be changing landing gear here soon. It was all foggy this morning, and I was like, I'm going, man. One last time. I got to put skis, floats, something. I got to, do a switcheroo. I really hope my buddy Tim Nelson gets a break in the weather. I'd love to see his winter flying. And then there's that guy John Smith, I think. He's like near Lake Champlain, upstate New York. I hope he gets his shit together. I haven't heard from him. Look at that. Look at that win, man. It was like awesome. Hey, I want to give a special shout out to my good buddy Mark Sheldon. Him and I have been friends since like 1968 or 9. And we fish together, and we're like good buds, like he comes up, we go fishing. We've known each other for over 50 years. And I keep telling him, man, you gotta buy an airplane. Buy a Cub, dude. And then do a YouTube. And then I can kind of like counsel you. I can like help you, like watch all your crashes. Give you some tips. Oh, shit. Yeah, it's been a good break. I'm actually ready to go back to work. And guess what I do when I go back to work? I fix airplanes. Oh, look at that rudder kick. Oh, yes. Oh, I had such a great time. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember me like tromping out here in snowshoes? I'll do it again if I have to. Look at this sucker. Look at it trying to come in for a landing. I love this shit. This is awesome. Woo!